Hi, I'm Maruf Ahmed, and I'm really excited to share my experience with Excel PTE. When I moved to Perth, I was looking for a course that truly understood my needs, and I had tried several courses, but none of them compared to Excel PTE. They provide me with a study plan which specifically customized for me and helped me stay focused and keep me on track. My teacher, Yasmin, her interactive classes were not only informative but also engaging, and that instant feedback she gave me was incredibly valuable. At first, I was worried about the time limitation because Perth and Sydney times are a little bit different, but XLPT was always there whenever I need help, like day and night. Their constant support, encouragement, and never give up attitude really helped me. Really, I mean, say like, really helped me to get my desired score. I must say, I'm really grateful for everything they did for me, and I can't thank them enough. If you are preparing for the PT exam, I highly recommend it. Excel PT. They will be with you every step of the way. Thank you so much.